Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, who the media I go betray you.
Take your time. Who's the thief? Look at me.
Who is that?
It's me, money. How can I be a thief to you?
And next time you do this thing again, I'll kill you.
Oh, look at me.
Yeah, I thought it's a thief.
What's up? What's up?
Shall I go and bring check? Wait, man, I could have killed a lot.
But how so?
And I do, come tap here.
Long time, no see. What's up?
Telling me, like, I wish say I didn't know with the school. Me, the way I go scale walk come, I did home, I no go fit scale walk go school again.
No be easy. Make wado. Nothing do. I will not get anything inside there.
Yeah. I don't get anything with you.
I don't. What do you do here?
I only Gary.
With nothing.
I don't get sugar, I don't get pepper, no oil.
Every day for this house, we could go out. I'll get some fries. You need to go eat for the good safe. I have some fries in there. You need to go.
Until Kuni go back.
You see the life for him. Yeah, for the they have for you.
Let's see my friend.
It's quite there.
You can't, you're not talking anything.
I don't see him. I for now see. It's good,
That be black or brand. Allah.
Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I be perfecting.
Wow. I say, Charlie bet chop your bets. So the Chelsea match where I stay camp. That boy I take my school fees, take the bet. They chop me passa. Charlie, as I day here, Charlie. Nothing day for my pockets. I make what's rough. Yeah, bro. Charlie, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to do now. My school fees then things now. Yeah, they come. I will call you. Yeah, Ama.
Yes.
You saw me sitting here. You could have even said hi.
I don't want to make a sound. And that's what was offering me. Just
Why? Is there something going on? Like, is there a problem between you and I?
other day on before they come at the man. I'm sure that you.
No. What have you seen and what have you heard?
Cheating. No person even have that.
Me cheating on you, Ama.
Hey.
No, like for Ama, like for what reason me cheating on you? I swear to God, I can never cheat on you.
In the past 3 days now, we need to only let me be free. Gate now,
The lady from the gate. She's my sister. I've shown you to all my sisters. How many times do you want me to explain myself?
In two patches, we are seeing many now, your sisters.
Oh, Ama, come on. I've been showing you around to my sisters. So how can I do that to you?
That you no could be a crabby, that's a baby crabby, and I
No, Ama, I know you are very pretty. So how can I cheat on such a pretty girl like you? Don't be doing that. Oh, sometimes you can do this. And I don't know. But you stop. We'll talk about this another time. Where are you going? Over there. I'm doing that. Can I go with you? No, come on. Why? You're my girl. I have to just coach you.
Baby, Rokachita, someone now that.
So why it's okay?
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same stuck in.
I'm not okay with that too.
I didn't see you in school yesterday because of the not saying like
Long story.
I even wanted to ask you, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh no.
Why? If I get one right now, then I'm interested. Yeah.
For now. Okay, I'm not interested.
And you? You're not interested? Hey.
I want to focus on my education for now.
Mommy, dear.
Why are you looking at me?
Oh,
like that?
nothing.
Is there any problem?
No. You're not interested in relationship aspects.
Oh yeah.
Hey! Merci. I didn't say anyone answer.
Oh, there is one, but I'm not interested. I just told you that I'm ready to
The
focus
same,
on
but
my
say,
education.
hey.
Why? Are you angry with me?
Oh, that is a sin.
Hello. Good afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. Please, I want you to send me some money to do something. I said send me some money to do something. I want to buy something. You know. Okay, that's my big sis. So how is school? Thank God. No, I've not heard from anyone. You leave them alone. You know how they are. It's only you that I have, you know. Okay. Yeah, you take care of, you know, campus. You now come back from college and you come and you doing this and you take care. I was doing something before you called because of the network, that's why I came.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
No chop. That's how far do you know? I say Messiah. Hey, now who they call me? Come out.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from the crowd.
Hey, now what's up? Are you kiss?
Bro, sorry.
Are you bros, man? How are you be kiss? Well, look at me. I dey go down there to go visit my baby. Are you what's up? Are you spoil my shirt, bro? Alright, we am crack.
Oh, sorry.
Charlie, I know they like put them for there. Now you what's up?
Oh, bro, sorry.
I want try cry. It's no good. Hey, these people, my last one.
Oh,
come out for there. Oh, look at that. Hey, last bow. You should find a hey, yaw. All the same. These people, I see, I like them fools.
Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting.
Please get afternoon. Please, can I get your woman hand?
Which one?
How much?
30 cedis.
80 cedis. Okay, get me.
Okay.
Okay, get me.
Thank you. And if we have which are these? 70 cedis. Boy, you ready, madam? You want to find me bad. And which man?
Cool your temper. And I mean, it never boy, they were big dreams. And check, they go see me on the big screens. And big boss, then I'm a dimmy who ching ching. Very soon, boys go pay for the 16s. We be who me in the midst of goons. Me crash and me quad, near Betty and the room. I still pity boys where they pray for my doom. I'm destined to win and it's written in the books. Me more biama, me pressure, never. Who to me, me take me when you're there. And now they about, and I made the never. It go rain soon, must I can't see the weather. What's so yes, she crash to cool your temper. Bear man, I would just.
Because I'm not the idea, I'm my friend. Hey, switch up. Still na a group or so. Every fiscal year, this year, I'm going to stay. I'm so. And I should want to watch it down to the Sense! Sense! No. You're like, yeah. Because you escape us. You're like, yeah.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
I see a boy. This hot afternoon, you are coming to collect 50 Ghana cedis. Hare, huh? Like I've given this my 50 cedis to you, I won't be able to stake my match. Eh? Yeah. The money is intact. You could catch Chelsea at Barcelona. They are Chelsea for the idea. So, we say the blues.
Yeah, perfecting. I'll be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I'll be perfecting. Perfecting.
Come on. Better do buy the drink. My guy. But this thing be a bad drink. You go buy another drink, go back.
As I feel drink, you know, drink, throw them away.
I hope me I call my money to go buy another drink, go buy this bad drink.
Why didn't you go there yourself? I be Salah.
I yappy.
Kumawood.
What's more be our nana on turn nobody.
Well, already, I know what's up. No, them no discount come up. Yesterday I came here knocking, shouting, Sims.
Telling me yesterday, not they around. Now the guy called me then. He was like, Charlie, us not set it. Chelsea the ambassador they play. Me I go stick bet. I go stick give Chelsea.
You boy, I've been telling you, I'm gonna see you.
Them squads 7-3.
I know that.
Scanashi.
I
swear.
Oh, bro, serious, I need the money.
And maybe the money I carry go stick the bet too.
Always with this bag. I don't know what written the inside.
Once I don't talk about my bag. They talk about my bag. You every time you come this house.
Why you like best in plan? What's up?
Every time you come my house, then you go Come there and insult me again. What's up?
Why haven't you seen my phone before?
What, you know be once?
I be once.
Once. And you can't go back. Go back, guy, don't come and beans need them back.
We're not going to go crying out with no news. If
you finish, I'll send the distance.
Why? Always this.
Every time you come this house, then you come there and insult me. I don't like that thing. If you want, not the time you said, I don't know your house.
What be your problem? What's up?
I see a boy. Come push your move.
Bogule. Grandpa.
Hey, Brown, how are you doing? Oh, okay, I'm also fine. Yeah. Are you at home?
Yeah, I'm home.
Oh, okay. I'll be doing nothing. I would want to come and take you out. Will you be available?
Sir. Many of my friends know you.
Okay, I have no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, you know me, Dada. I will sort you out, okay? Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you.
Huh. Oh, me. Lemon, fall in love.
I think I'm in love.
I think I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love with this girl.
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety. I'm sick of this society, they make us feel a rivalry. Compare ourselves to others, but we all got different mothers. We were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like I just didn't waste time. Something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside. I'm lost inside, and I need a little time to find who I am in this life. I will find a way to feel alive. I'm so lost inside.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Passion is saying.
Oh, fine. How about you?
I'm working. But your friend is brand new first.
Oh, please, I'm call service.
But you mean your contact?
What?
I said, can I have your contact?
Please, my number. I'm in a hurry.
Oh, right.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits some loose shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Hello. Please, excuse me. Please. Good afternoon. I hope you are fine. Please, you look so familiar. I don't know.
Okay.
Please, do I know you anywhere? Or do you know me anywhere?
No.
Please, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Madam, please, it's you.
No. Oh no. Please, I don't know you.
Please, are you not called Rama?
Oh yeah, I'm calling.
And you don't know me? Hey! Rama, pa! Rama, you don't know me?
Oh no.
You don't remember me?
Oh yeah.
See my face? You don't remember me?
Oh no.
It's me, Sims! You don't remember me?
Oh Sims! Ah, sorry. How are you doing?
Hey, fine!
Oh,
Hey!
I'm sorry. How are you doing?
I'm very. Hey,
I
you
hope
see?
everything is alright.
Yeah, cool. Hey!
Oh yeah, it's me.
Hey, you've grown up.
Same to you.
See that time? Hey! You're like this.
Come on.
Hey.
Oh yeah, I know that's right. You know as time goes on.
Hey, so where have you been? From school. I've not seen you again. I lost your number.
I've been to Canada for so many years, that's why.
Hey, Canada, dear. Hey, so, hey. No, like, what are you doing here? This is my area.
I just came to visit my friend.
Your friend? Where? At where?
Just this place.
This one?
This one.
This house?
Yeah.
That's your friend's house?
Yeah.
Hey, very big house.
Yeah, I know.
Wow! That's wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
I always pass here.
That's my friend's house.
Okay. Now you...
Can we exchange contact?
Yes! Hey! Now one MP. Hey! So you went to Canada?
Oh, yeah.
Hey! But I miss you.
Same to me.
Hey! Wow!
Call me.
Okay.
Take care.
Same to you. Bye. How? I'll call you where? Zena. Rama. I'm granny. I come over India. Yay! My father for here. Oh my God. But this guy is so cute. Why? No, I can't believe I was saying this game. And this is your friend's house. Wow! It is me. Bogungun.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
No, like you're looking at those guys.
Oh, nothing.
Do you have any connection with them?
Oh, no.
I'ma be careful, are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, if you say so. Hey, you're still looking at them, why?
I said there's nothing.
Okay, let's go. That's still,
I don't.
well, that's what you're saying. I trust you, though.
Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect thing, I be perfect thing. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love, so we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa, now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son.
continue. Yeah.
But I'm hot.
I don't know, madam.
If I missing now.
What can any more number?
Oh, number.
Number no pay, madam, I'm my wife.
Hey, but now then I may pay number.
Oh,
Fajia, but your friend seems right.
Okay. If I show you.
okay.
I have friend.
Okay, my friend.
Ade, madam, I have friend.
Oh, my friend.
Yeah, it's fucking cheese on it. Okay, said ya brabo ni mo ya den na me gidi so won someone in the cruise agumo concrete. But still na me dem fame obi ke kase enye ye se me hu no hye the concept. Enche emere de beso, jo ma hasada che uhu me hwene ya krobeto. Koda mfa ne ho ensem pi ya fefa me ni so. Make for we busy kan ka ye be wai me ni so. Na nya me ya botre, wani bi mpo na maya, we dia me de koto sere. Me to be that fit ya no pa kwesi enwumre. Still bubu sa me wasi the grass, still me ni kapre. Jo me just the sokoto brane no me te seleko. Eye lion ka me ne ko me ya pa me pa so record enso we die.
Dunya me, wara miss me frewo. Minya me, wara na miss me frewo. Raboni mo ye de me bamba. Moto ma drive me kema. Human idea me brasa. Aje ya me this wara. Dunya me, wara na miss me frewo. Minya me, wara na miss me frewo. Raboni mo ye de me bamba. Moto ma drive me kema. Human idea me brasa. Aje ya me this wara. You nothing I get. The akaya me jeans and kwane me shirt. I drink drinks and me dia ya pet. Hey me shabra na say hey kiss. Hey radio.
I just want to tell you something.
Tell me something. Okay, guess.
I'm not good at guessing.
No, just try and guess.
I just told you I'm not good at guessing. So tell me.
Your friend is in love.
Really?
100% sure.
Are you sure?
Oh.
Oh my god. Tell me more.
Like a certain guy, like crushing ways be telling me don't.
Hope he knows that in love.
Yeah, it's 100%. I don't know. I don't really know.
Then I think you should rather propose to him.
I need to propose.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's it.
By proposing to him, some ways be there. That cannot be possible.
It's possible. Yeah. It's just a normal vibe.
No, this cannot be possible.
Okay, then rather be friends. Oh,
that would be cool. Wow. This is a very, very good idea. Hey, let's do what we have to see.
Perfect things, I'll be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I'll be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love, so we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas.
No, I don't listen to anyone. Me.
Charlie, you have to stop it too. It's not fair.
It's not good.
Yeah.
I see. Hey, woman.
Oh yeah, as a friend, I have to advise you. You already know you are my bestie, right?
I know.
Oh yeah, so I have to advise you.
Are you wearing some?
Oh yeah, you know I'm a girl.
It's a question. Are you wearing some?
Oh yes, I'm wearing some.
Did your creator tell you to wear this thing?
Oh yeah, because I'm a girl.
Yeah,
boy. Nothing shows that you should wear this yellow. So I have to advise you.
I get you. Also, I don't think I will take this advice from
Why?
you. True.
Why?
Okay, I will take it.
So as a friend, I'm advising you don't want to take it. Right?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up.
Why? I just told you that we are coming to visit our friend.
I'll come back later. I'll call you later.
Is this an emergency?
Yes, please.
No problem. Bye.
So you later.
You this guy. Oh, okay. Hey girl.
What's up, dear?
How far?
I'm good.
Hope everything is fine.
My God, good.
So where are you?
I'm going to the supermarket.
Can I escort you?
Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Hey, babe. I want to tell you something.
Go on.
I wanted to introduce my friend to you.
Your friend.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, male or female?
Male.
Ah, okay, so where is your friend?
He just had an emergency, so you have to take it.
Ah, okay, later, let's go.
You told me you need a boyfriend, right?
Yes.
He's a nice guy, a cool guy, so you can vibe with him.
Oh, I'm not interested.
Why?
No, I'm having a crush on someone.
Really?
Serious crush.
Oh, Charlie, he's just a nice guy, a cool guy. You can vibe with him.
No, I'm not interested.
Yo, just be serious, okay?
Hey, Roman sister said in Edwin.
I'm sorry, okay?
But he told me that you're not interested in any relationship.
You told me that you need a boyfriend.
Ah.
Okay. It's just a mistake, I'm sorry.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be.
What is that?
But then and then about you say me.
But is it this thing?
Like, where my person was shaking it through?
See, this thing, I don't think he's a Ghanaian. Ghana man will not allow him to do this thing. I know. Because, we the Ghana people, we are very responsible. We won't do this thing. But I think it's funny.
Yeah.
If you do this thing and go home, your mother asks you,
I opened up my eyes to the world. I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. No, I always love.
Can I please talk to you for a moment? Wow, you look pretty.
I know.
Why, who created you?
Why are you asking me that question?
Like, you look pretty.
I know that I'm beautiful, so no need for you to tell me.
Hey, like really?
Yeah.
Well, by the way, I'm Lemon, and you?
I'm
Rama. Your name fits you. So where are you going?
My mom just sent it.
Okay, no problem. Like, I like you and I would want us to hang out.
I'm not interested.
You're not interested? I want us to be...
I said I'm not interested.
Not interested?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Oh, yeah.
Huh. No, like, you look pretty. Why?
Don't you have anything important to say?
Oh, like I called you for this reason.
I just told you that I'm not interested. So why wasting my time?
Huh. Like, just like that.
Wasting my time.
Rama. Look at this girl. Turning me down, a whole lemon. But like today I dress well. Look at my chain. I've even got my watch. Hey. Oh, maybe she doesn't like fanboys.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams, and you feel like you're losing belief. Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong. When it all
I have to know.
What should I say?
Fine, how about you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Please, should I offer you a chair?
Oh, no. It's working.
Okay. Please, how do you know my house?
Yeah, one of your friends finished me.
Okay. So, what's the problem?
And come and there were a supermarket to do and I'm seeing good.
I'm waiting for someone. So. Oh. I hope we will not keep long.
Oh, that'll be a better to see you.
Hey, you. Okay, let me change. So
So please, where are we? Which supermarket? You wish you can do something.
Some are not do it today, but we humble, I would say, intimate.
It's true. Yeah, I've never had a problem with Thank you.
Please, can I know your name?
Oh, I'm cousin.
Wow, nice name.
Thank you. Please don't know you anywhere.
No, I don't think so. Okay, can I have your digits?
No problem.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
Thank you. We will chat.
Please, your name.
Okay, I'm busy.
Okay.
Bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Hello, beautiful.
Oh, hi, guy.
How are
Let's say.
you?
It's not
Oh, you sit down.
Oh, sir.
Hey, the sun is scorching.
They do pay.
My question is that if not you, what will bring me here? Hey, you man.
Sir, minty keke.
No, I was going to check something down there. Like once I had on the bench, I said, let me just say hi then, you know. Like I said.
Okay.
I'm calm. Once the boys there.
Okay.
We'll be here from to you. Let me be fast then. Hey! How boko sama yoko?
Ade.
What was the one black?
Now, so also a nice guy.
Hey, you are China man. Me free.
Yeah, perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Perfect things. I be.
What kind of thing I'm saying? I think you don't know.
Yes, I'm going to get my car.
Hayana mjini no more like. Ntom hayana. Me last time me got there. So na me nyahu no mjini number.
But I hope some friend.
Oh, that was a member of a friend like I said. Why you busy? Why you say?
Maybe he is different, so it's my friend.
I'm a friend of one fair.
Maybe he is different.
Okay, what can I say? So, yes, I'm a friend. Me come me phone na. Hey, want to wait over for the? Over for. Maybe some friend we not one foul.
Over for.
Okay. I didn't know me.
Saffron.
I said, I'm kind.
Maybe why busy? And now, oh, here, Jimmy. That's the reason.
What can you
How was it?
Good.
Good. So when are you coming back?
On your weekends.
Weekends.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll be waiting you.
Okay.
With this girl. I miss you.
I miss you too.
This is bitter with you. Like, wow.
I love you.
I love you more.
I don't know what's ahead of me.
I'm tired. Tired of all. Who that?
Hey. Hi. Who that? Amma. Who's she?
The lady Bina, the last time now they walk to James' place where he called me, you know, that hairdresser or whatever.
Yeah, for the salon front inside.
Yeah, over there.
Answer her. If you talk to her, I'm tired of you.
Hello. Oh, fine. How about you? Okay. Oh, it's not my fault. I've been busy. That's fine. Oh, sorry for that. Oh, normal vibe, you know. Just normal vibe. Right now, I'm very tired. I'm just coming back from one of my friend's place, so let's talk later, okay? Every day is your number, so I'll call you later. Okay. Yeah. Okay, bye. Same to you to take care.
Why, that girl crash?
Alright, Charlie, let's go. Nothing.
Hey. Always nothing, but nothing. It's something big.
That girl, I don't even know. This is the first time when she called me.
Massa.
Me and you know where.
You might be smart, huh? You must know that that girl likes you. What's up?
I said, if me and you know where they get meet us, then he called me that day and I no give her the number. The second time when you met us, she collect the number. You forget. Say she met us and collect the number. How do you forget? Me, I still remember that thing that day. But she likes you.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams and you feel like you're losing belief.
Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong.
Why find me now the phone? Hey, why did you know them something?
I don't know about
Oh, yeah. Madam from she's just a friend.
it's not much in the media.
That's her guy, Charlie. I don't know.
Hey, Miss Slow. And maybe be a chibi.
I also, why don't you trust me?
Oh my God.
I said she's just a friend.
How come I tell my Connie?
So, the fried rice, I'll be waiting.
No, what you
I'll be waiting.
Okay, no problem.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
But I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to...
Rama. Yeah, Rama. Ah. Wow, I'm seeing you again. How are you? Can something like a hack?
Or something like that.
Oh, at least you're my friend. I should move back. Rama. Okay, no problem. So, but like today you're looking. Hey, you this
why?
girl. Anytime I try to touch you, be doing yourself.
Are you my fiance?
Oh, but that was what we talked about the last time. You even remember
It's
me?
still the same.
Still the same?
Yeah.
So like you're rejecting my proposal or what? Rama.
Something wrong.
No, like it's too much. You see, I don't know what I'm feeling for you, but it's too much. You're rejecting. You keep on rejecting.
I told you I'm not ready to date.
Amma. Hey, Amma.
Yes.
Hey, Amma. Who is that guy?
I am a friend.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Hey, you.
I didn't know Bonnie Bear now.
Mokwe.
Miko Jano.
Hey. Hope everything is fine.
I've been wrong.
Oh yeah. Where have you been?
Me this town, the whole neighborhood, everyone knows me. I'm the assemblyman.
Hey.
Going to escort your friend and you're holding a son like this.
Oh, I don't be done. I don't about your haggy and one. I say, me, suck a can of my son saying to Bonnie Benny.
No, it's obvious. Amma.
No, I'm just joking. That I said I'm the assemblyman.
Oh, I'm sorry, I know.
No, like, she was going to escort me.
To where?
To the house.
Now, girl, no,
she's a friend. She came around to visit.
Swam. As I'm saying, they be out, can they be your friend? My baby so no be the house where you're down.
Oh, but I'm a fan.
Sana, who said no be outside in Saka, was saying, I bring you.
Hey, Amma.
Is that a fiance?
Yeah. Where are you going?
I'm just passing by.
You're going to see.
When he calls me.
Okay.
And you're sure me go down the fire.
Who jam up with Jana?
Oh, Mammy Johnny Quine Bray will be a best rami. I made the mean Jana.
You can go.
No, I'm going to say. You are going to say. Okay, then let's wait for you.
Go. Amma, Baba you. That's our boy wait now.
Hey, Rama.
Yes.
This is my friend Rama.
Hey,
How are you?
fine.
Hope everything is fine.
Well, everything is
So where are you guys going?
She was going to escort me. But you, when I will come and see you. You've never sent me that.
Hey!
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken.
yesterday.
So when will he be back?
No, business ways, yeah.
When you're dear. Have you seen this one back? One day I'll come and you fill it with money.
Oh, no problem. Just come. I hear.
Will you fill it?
Why not?
I don't want one CD.
Just
maybe
come.
I want big. Say 50 CD and I listen.
As I know.
Go.
I forgot something. I forgot something. My father sent me that I was going to collect something for him, so I need to go home. When you can then come on a cell phone.
Okay.
So, here we go. See you, okay?
Okay.
Andy.
I'm not comfortable when your friend is hourless.
Why?
Your friend.
What's it?
I'm not comfortable.
Don't worry, this time I will not.
Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be.
Have you seen this house?
Nice one.
One day I'll come and rent it. No, I'll come and buy.
Wow. Okay.
It's very nice.
If you can afford, yeah.
If
you can afford.
You add something.
If you can afford, yeah.
I said, will you add something? When I'm going to buy the house, will you add?
I'll think of that.
Okay.
Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect thing, I be perfect thing. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scam, let me win so much.
Sims. Okay, yeah, right. Hey, I don't wear Humiana.
Oh, I saw you. Sorry.
Sorry. Just sorry. Okay. Now then, Obama.
She's just a friend.
A friend. Make I yet give me a share another couple words.
Yeah. That day, she's the one.
Okay. Nah, me your day.
You're also my friend. What was it?
Your friend. Friend.
Why? Yo, is there a problem?
Oh.
You okay? I'll call you. Okay. Please. I'll call you.
Never boy, they were big dreams. And check, they go see me on the big screens. And big boss, then I'm a dimmy who ching ching. Very soon, boys go pay for the 16s. Who be who me in the midst of goons. Me crash and me quite near Betty and room. I still pity boys.
Money. What's up?
No, because I say me dear no, say me one can. I mean, I'm one boy and one behind.
This guy also, why did they give me programs then?
Because I know was the Bibiana yesterday. And if this an American,
so is it?
Also, what the cook and fantasy. The mood diagro. Cook ni fantasy. Seconds be a rainy. I mean, many shop.
Cook and fantasy. What is cook and fantasy?
We a boy also to cook and fantasy.
What? Just them. What are you trying to say?
There are two girls be amongst what I know here. The issue contact girls.
Tell me their names.
A man that breeze you say breeze. I don't know. Yeah.
They're just my friends, Charlie.
Hey, I know that you say you tell me this. For you pass up a kind of cry, tell me party. Not like kind of cry no boy. Maybe any maybe I see here.
Okay, they're just my friends, nothing more. You know.
Those girls in the crowd on the way I'm saying I'm not an nation crowd. I know me I am crowd. I see some they hate me cross there. How come say me I'm in one now? I'm watching on time.
I don't know why. Maybe you know me I be calm guy. It's just that because of this one, I be calm guy.
So does it mean that you should be womanizer than me?
No,
oh yeah, that's your attitude.
That's
your attitude.
I'm not too womanizer.
Yeah, becoming one becoming, please. A man dear, There's no more thing. Me nice girls. What you want to me? You know, no meaning now out. So do him.
So what are you say?
Win him. Yeah, so.
Okay. Oh yeah, make you go. This is
me. Let's fucking tease on it. Okay, said ya brabo ni mo ya den me gidi say won someone in the cruise agumo concrete. But still na me dem fame obi ke kase enye ye se me hu no hye ne concert. Enche emere de beso. Jo ma hasada cha uhu me hwene ya krobeto. Kona mfa ne ho ensem pi ya fefa me ni so. Make for obi sika ka ye be wai me ni so. Na nya me ya botre. Wani bi mpo na ma ya we de me de koto sere. Me to be that defeat ya no pa kwesi enyumre. Still bubu sa me wasi the class still me ni kapre. Jo me just the sokoto brand no me te seleko. Eye lion ka me ne ko me ya pa me pass record and so we did.
Dunga me wara miss me frewo. Minga me wara miss me frewo. Raboni mo ye me bamba. Moto my drive me kema. You man idea me bressa. Aja me this is wara.
Hey, this is what you do. House. Oh boy. Hey, Sika. Wow.
Look at the glasses. It be bulletproof.
Huh?
The glasses.
The glass is bulletproof.
Yeah. Hello. I should come back home. Why?
Can't you see? Big glasses.
But this one, too good.
No. Hey, how can you enter this?
This house, I'll confuse some.
Hey, what's up?
About what?
You be friends, master. Let's go.
Huh?
Friends, look at this.
Hey. Okay, then we need to go back to the house. Why? I don't know.
Danger not be friends. This be friends.
This one be friends.
But I got one be friends. Well, but I got that well. Hey, but the thing they clean oh. Hey, they clean every day.
Every day then they clean them.
What a nice house.
But this one no be you, no be glasses so.
Yeah. It be carpet. Yeah, I know this one I know.
What do
the carpet. Let me go.
You move over your number blow. Let's see uncle. You know this house we go build some.
No.
Me the house. You better to susu.
Massa, only one able to sorry.
Huh?
I guess a friend to me.
So you go buy your own?
Yeah.
Hey.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
Money, please can you come? How are you doing?
I'm good and you?
I was saying my God grace. So, how is your friend?
He's there. What's up?
Nothing, no. Like, I've tried to call since, but he's not picking up.
Maybe he's busy, that's why.
Busy. Okay. So, tell him to call me.
I'll do that for you.
Okay. Money, can you please come? Can you keep this?
Tell it I'm okay.
Oh, just for water.
Oh, let it be. I'm okay.
You're okay. Okay.
I'm okay. I'll see you.
Please. Okay, bye.
You this guy, I don't know your name, Sims or whatever they call you. I came here to warn you to stay away from my girlfriend. Amma, that fair girl walking around this town, she's my girlfriend. I'm talking to you and you're looking at your back. You this guy, what's up? I came here to warn you.
And who said I have something doing with Amma?
I know it, I've personally seen you guys walking around.
Amma is just my friend.
Not a friend, I said I came here to warn you. The next time I see you with that girl, like I'll sound you, I'll murder you.
And you want to tell me to what?
To stay away from my girlfriend.
So if I not stay away from her, what will you do? You slapped me?
Yes, I did.
Because of Amma?
Yes.
Bro, why, what's up? Why are you? Why?
No be that guy.
That guy me.
That I'm or whatever in guy. Actually,
why?
The guy come slap me for here.
I don't do anything.
We don't do anything.
Masa, take your time. Go fight that guy. Masa.
Yes.
Why are you doing that?
Come. Me cry there. The guy can't send me now. Blah blah.
Oh.
Come. It's crying here now. If me where I collect my slap. Follow me.
You get your head.
Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things.
Hello. Yeah, afternoon. Oh, fine, how about it? Oh, cool. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I've been busy, that's why. Oh, I just passed by your house. Just ran like 5 minutes or 3 minutes ago. Okay. Yes, I should send me money.
Go away.
Please.
Hey, bro.
What's up for that? What's up at the start? But you know, say this girl.
I don't know anything, no matter.
She's my bestie.
Bestie, baby. What's it okay? I'm talking about bestie. We only for check one. Yeah, Bema. I don't want to find. I'm not. Yeah, they do we cut himself bestie.
What are you trying to say?
What am I trying to say? Why, get it? I'm kind of going to get my down. Yeah, Bema. But also be big team. Well, find it a debut night and find a question one side. The big team. Rachel, did you go to Bosia? Did you go to so? Did you go to Swan Casa? Maybe painting. So, yeah. Nothing on Casa, the bestie, your friend at the end of the day.
This guy is see, I'm like my sister.
Hey, watch this. This time I'm Motozi. Huh? Come on, Motozi. I want to tell my sister. Boy, get it. See me, I can't get my down. When moves and actually get to switch. You also need to go. Come into it in the newcomers again.
You, me, I will think about it.
Thank you, baby, bro. Make me go. Think about it. Go when you're now the job, bro. Go family man.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement.
Hello. Hey. Good afternoon. Oh, I'm fine. What about you? Okay. No, I'm home. Okay. Please, what time? Okay. I'll call you when I'm coming. Okay. Bye.
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety. I'm sick of this society, they make us feel a rivalry. Compare ourselves to others, but we all got different mothers. We were raised in different
Hey, come there, don't cry.
Hey, you said you were for you, come back and let's have
it.
Oh,
you did. Don't cry.
many
Then, no, I'm up to call.
What's a me by code? Hello, Sims. Hey, now. Now, fan out here.
How about you?
I'm also good.
Hey, I've been a while.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, she's is that your friend?
Yeah, that's my friend.
Oh, guys, my job.
Oh, okay.
Okay, no money, some.
But you, hey, see dressing. Hey, you, my best friend in the world. You, hey. So, like, you nah, when you talk, me say you know get boyfriend. So, like, all this nyakabus and sakadus conclusions. Who you want carry give?
Oh, yeah, it's true. I don't have any boyfriend.
Hey! But now, Papa, dear fair. So, hey, you see, I don't know. You be having way carry you come.
My eye.
Why?
I don't know. It seems like something is falling to my eye.
What? What's
You class ni ya na we ni sa.
Ama, you slapped me.
Na me mbo say na di class ni ya na wo ye na ye ma.
Class ni ya we.
E na ko Sims fie madam for guy. E na ko ni fie ko ten wo ni.
Sims.
Na unko ni fie ho no.
Me.
Unko enja sa kwa me mpasa sa class dating say na me mpem. Wo be hye me so. Na wo hu ncha so da be. Wo hu ncha so da be aba be hye me so. En class su be na ko da na di sa no. E ma me hu sa biem kwa da na me efi no ko me nu waja. Me nu wa wie. Wo hu me atwam. En fra me ama na branda. Wo hu me atwam me nu wa wie. Me di letu na ba en fra me biem. Mo ta sa na me ka tro.
Ama.
Me se me nu waja de hu so nu bi aja ida. Oba kan jo so nu waja. Me se me nu waja.
Ha! You left me. You slapped me. What reason? Because of some guy, Sims. No, like a stupidity. How can Ama do this to me? Say it, Jai. That's how Bomasu. Ha!